Distributed credit chain. Empower credit, enable finance. Distributed Credit Chain (DCC) is the world's first distributed banking public blockchain with a goal to establish a decentralized ecosystem for financial service providers around the world. By empowering credit with blockchain technology and returning ownership of data to individuals, DCC's mission is to transform different financial scenarios and realize true inclusive finance. The problem: the traditional financial industry is highly centralized. Financial transactions rely heavily on the endorsement and support of large financial institutions, with substantial transaction fees paid out to these institutions. Monopolistic financial institutions have in fact raised lending rates for borrowers and reduced the interest income for lenders. Borrowers, individuals with specific borrowing demand, establish blockchain account to authorize data service provider and initiate borrowing request. Data service provider integrate individual data and store them on the chain, clean dirty data, and provide data standards. Algorithm and computation service providers extract characteristics from data, make judgments based on policies, and quantify judgment based on characteristics. Credit history feedback. The approved credit history reports generated on blockchains prevent problems such as long-term borrowing and repeated test borrowing. Funding providers, not directly involved in lending, but provide funding, such as ABS purchasing institutions. Risk-assuming institutions operate a credit business by earning income from bearing specific risks, manage loans in progress and collect after loan. The advantage of DCC: break the monopoly. With a global distributed banking ecosystem, DCC aims to break the monopoly of traditional financial institutions and to return earnings from financial services to all providers and users involved in such services so that each participant may share the return of ecological growth. Distributed banking will ultimately be a way to truly achieve an inclusive system of finance. Decentralized thinking. Through decentralized thinking, distributed banking will be able to change the cooperation model in traditional financial services, building a new peer-to-peer and all communications model of cooperation across all regions, sectors, subjects and accounts. Transform business structure. As it pertains to business, distributed banking will completely transform traditional banking's debt, asset, and intermediary business structure. The tree-like management structure of the traditional bank will thus evolve into the flat structure of a decentralized bank, establishing distributed standards for various businesses and improving overall business efficiency. Government regulation. As it pertains to regulation, the fact that all records registered in the blockchain cannot be tampered with will enable regulators to penetrate the underlying assets in real time. Big data analysis institutions will also be able to help the regulatory bodies understand and respond to industry risks more quickly based on blockchain data analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested to join this project, please visit the official website. All of informations regarding this project such as website URL, announcement thread, and social media account can be found in the video description.